Good morning, Primary 2. This is Chapter 3, Lesson 21. The value of the number. In the next page, we will talk about the value of any digit that you have. Let's determine the value of the digit based on its location. You have the number 156. This is how you read the number. 156, 156. You have a digit, 156. You want to know the value of each digit of this number. Starting from the 6, its value will be 6. The 5 will be 50, because you are reading the number 156. So the 5 is 50. And the value of the 1 is 100, because you say 100. So 156. Let's look at 412. You have, listen to you how you can read the number 412. The 2 is still 2. The value of the 2 is 2. The value of the 1 is 10. The value of the 4 is 400. So the number is 412. In the next page, you have the number 138. So the value of the 1 is 100. The value of the 3 is 30. The value of the 8 is 8. You have 8 is a ones. 8 ones. The 30 is tens. And the 100 is 100. So you have ones, tens, and 100. Ones, tens, and 100. In the next page, we are going to write the given number with its digit value. The first one is 582. 582. Listen to the number that you're reading. 582. How many hundreds can you hear? 500. That's right, 500. What about the tens? The tens is 582. So you can hear 80. So the tens is 80. And the ones is 2. 582. Okay, the next one, 631. 631. Listen, 600. So the value of the 100 is 600. The value of the tens is 30. And the value of the ones is 1. The number 302. Listen carefully in this. 302. How many hundreds can you hear? 300. So the value of the hundreds is 300. 0, 2. There is no tens. You cannot find any tens. The tens is a 0. Whenever you see a 0, the value of the 0 is always 0. If you see the 0 in the ones, the 0 in the tens, always the value of the 0 is 0. So the tens is a 0. The ones is 2. So you have the number 302. You don't have any tens. For the number 790. 700. So the value of the 100 is 700. And 90. Listen, 90. So the tens is 90. You don't have any ones. The ones here is a 0. We said 0 always had the value of 0. No value for the 0. The last number, 143. Listen, 143. How many hundreds do you have? Yes, 100. Look for the tens. 140. So your tens has a value of 40. And the ones is just 3. So your number is 143. In the next page, this is very easy and fun exercise. Write the value of the underlying number. You have a number, underlying number. I want you to write the value of this number. You have to read the number first, then write the value. 456. 456. 400 is underlined, so the value of this number is, that's right, 400. 745. 745, and the 5 is underlined. The 5 is a ones, so the value of the 5 is 5. 934. 934. The 4 is underlined. The value of the 4 is 4. 213. 213. 2 is underlined. Listen, 200. So the value of the underlined number is 200. 506. Remember we said whenever you see a 0, the value of this number is always 0. 0 is underlined, so the value of the underlined digit is 0. 324. 324. 3 is underlined, so the value of the digit underlined is 300. 253. 253. 5 is underlined, so the value of the underlined digit is 50. 50. 698. 698. 8 is underlined and it's a ones, so the value of this digit is 8. 142. 142. 4 is underlined, so the value of this digit is 40. 325. 325. 3 is underlined, so the value of this digit is 300. 483. 483. You have 4 underlined. Listen to the number 400, so you have the value of 400. And the last one is 972. 972. 2 is underlined, so the value of the underlined number is just 2 because it's ones. Thank you and see you next time.